Hey YouTube, I have a slightly different video today, or another video from today. I'm going to be discussing, is the iPhone 6s still relevant today? Okay, here's your short answer. Yes. And I don't have an iPhone 7, an iPhone 8, iPhone 10, or an iPhone 6 or 5s to compare it to. But why would I compare it to another phone? I just want to know if it's relevant. An iPhone 6s is my daily driver. I love my iPhone 6s, and I'll tell you why. Alright, I do have airplane mode turned on because I don't want people to text me, or I don't want to get any notifications while I'm making this video. So if you're wondering why airplane mode on, that's why. I'm too popular. That's why. Alright, let's first test Touch ID. So I'm going to turn off the display. Alright, you can tell Touch ID is still amazingly fast. Now, I will say one complaint, but this isn't just from the 6S. I've experienced this with any other phone that has Touch ID, actually, that I've used. Not just iPhones, but the fingerprint scanner is a fingerprint magnet. I don't know if there's a way to fix that. I haven't spent a whole lot of time researching that because, I mean, it's not that hard to just clean off the sensor. But, anyway, now I'm going to transition over to the phone. I'm going to record from there. Alright, so this is recording. I'm recording on the iPhone 6s. The audio is being recorded by my camera, though. You can actually record audio while you record your screen, though. Anyway, I wanted to see how well it can still, like the speed, how fast it still is, even if it's recording the screen. Alright, so let's just jump into messages. That was almost instantaneous. Alright, you can see I don't have any other opened apps. It's amazingly fast. For, I don't remember how old this phone is. It's what, like, is it 2 generations or 3 generations old? It's something like that. So that's what, like 2015? You can see Snapchat, messages. Let's go into the camera. Selfie. Oh, let's jump into photos. Now let's see how far we can go before we have to reload from the storage. Well, let's go into Outlook. Let's jump into the App Store, which won't work because I have airplane mode on. Settings, almost instant. Shazam. It's still loaded in the RAM. Alright, let's try Clash of Clans. Yes, I keep forgetting that I have airplane mode turned on. But we can still turn on Wi-Fi, right? So, let's turn that on. And all of this is still loaded in the RAM. And I'll go back to Clash of Clans. We're still not having to reload anything. Now let's see if Clash of Clans is still in the RAM. It's still there. Alright, let's clear all of these out. So, what is my point in making this video? Okay, I got my iPhone 6s for $390, the 120GB model, which was the highest you can get. And I'm making this video more for people if they're wondering if they should get a 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, or even the 10, if say they have a 5 or a 5S, alright? I haven't tried them. I'm sure they're much faster than this, but do you really, really, really need that extra performance? Because I'd say it's not. As you just saw, this phone is fast. It keeps stuff in the RAM. You don't have to reload your apps. Everything works great. It's updated to the latest version of iOS. It was faster on iOS 10 versus 11, but not by a whole lot. So should you get an iPhone 7, 8, or 10 versus a 6S? I would say you shouldn't. And I know this video is the iPhone 6S still relevant today, and I kind of got way off topic, but yes, it's still relevant today. I've seen videos on YouTube with the 5S, and it's still relevant today. And you can get that for like $100, $200. You get this for $390. I'd say that this is probably the best iPhone that Apple has ever created, next to the 5S. The 5S is my favorite. Camera quality is great. The video quality is amazing. Sure, it can't do 4K at 60 FPS, but it can do 4K at 30. Do you really need 60 FPS 4K? You can do 1080p at 60. It's very relevant today. And for like $600 less than the iPhone 10. I'll actually leave the link to where I got it in the description, if I can find it. So be sure to check that out. Anyway, thank you for watching. Comment and tell me what you think about that. I know it's a different video than I usually make, but just tell me. Like if you learned something or liked the format of this. Dislike if you didn't. Comment like I just asked you to. And yeah, bye.